Welcome to Tools and Cars with Chris. Today I'm going to be talking about my new Wesling Machine magnetic socket trays. I got 1/4 inch and 1 3/8. I think I picked the pair up for about $25. They're very well made. They're aluminum. They got a real low profile so they don't take up much room in your toolbox. The numbers are laser etched on there, so you can easily see what socket you want to grab. I keep mine in my tool cart. I never have a problem with the sockets falling off. I'll demonstrate that real fast. Not one. I definitely recommend getting you a pair of these.